Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. In this video we will be seeing about the Jupiter transit which is going to take place on November 20th 2021. Jupiter moves from Capricorn to Aquarius and it stays there for about 145 days, a maximum 5 months. Then it moves away from Aquarius to Pisces during 13th of April 2022. We will be seeing based on the Jupiter's position as well as the places it aspects as well as position of Rahu Ketu and Saturn for each and every zodiac sign, what are the probable benefits a person could get during this period. If you are new to this channel, keep this channel subscribed so that you will get my instant updates whenever I release it. On 20th of November 2021, during the transit, you could see the planetary position being displayed here, where the star is Rohini, and in Taurus, you could see there is a conjunction of planets, Rahu and Moon there, and in the Libra, you could see Mercury is along with Mars, and in Scorpio, Ketu is along with Sun. And in Sagittarius you could see Venus, and at Capricorn Saturn being a ruler. Aquarius you could see Jupiter there. That is, Jupiter has moved on that particular time, that is around 11:30 p.m. on that same day from Capricorn to Aquarius. On 13th of April 2022 it is Pushya star where Moon is at Leo, and at Libra you could see Ketu there, and at Aries there is a conjunction of planet between Rahu and Mercury. I could see Saturn being ruler at Capricorn, and at Aquarius you could see Mars is there along with Venus, and Jupiter had moved on that particular day to Pisces. That is, you could see in Pisces Jupiter is along with Sun. So this is the planetary position once the Jupiter gets transit from Aquarius to Pisces on 13th of April 2022. So in Aquarius Jupiter stays only for 145 days hardly. Now we will be seeing for each and every zodiac sign what is the impact based on the Jupiter's position and the places it aspects. Libra, the 7th zodiac sign. For Libra, Jupiter moves away from 4th house to 5th house and becomes strong there in 5th house. So there will be a lot of support from the children. Children might study well during this time. Children will get good education, good schools and colleges. So this is a very good fortunes for children. But so far, Jupiter was controlling Saturn at the 4th house. But now Saturn becomes more powerful and functionally a negative planet at 4th house. So they may find some problems with the mother's health, and some may find some problems in their fixed assets, the house they stay, the vehicles they use. They will find a lot of problems during this time. Investments also will not yield much good results. So they should be very much careful while doing the investments. So they should be careful in investing amount in share market as well as in jewels. So the Saturn becomes a negative planet, and so far it has been controlled by Jupiter as it was in the Capricorn. Also, if you can see at the 8th house, Rahu becomes stronger and it aspects the 2nd house. Now the control by Jupiter on Rahu is not there. So Rahu becomes highly negative planet and it aspects the 2nd house. So the communication will have some problem. They may have difficulty in their family life. Some may have some problems in the health as well as in other issues. So they should be very much careful in all these aspects. Now when you see Jupiter, the 5th house means very strong, and from 5th house Jupiter starts aspecting the 9th, 11th and the zodiac sign. So once it starts aspecting the 9th house, they will be lucky for them. Some of them will get good support from the father side family. Some may get wealth out of their father's side family. Those who are having pending cases in the court, they can win and it may be in their favor. Jupiter aspecting the 11th house, very good for them. Some of them can get good revenue, good income during this period. Those who are doing business, they can get good returns during this time. And those who are working in a company, they'll get good salary and they may get good increment, transfer and all. Some will get government related prospects and government support will be there. So these are some of the positive sign of Jupiter aspecting the 11th house. Jupiter also aspect the zodiac sign. They will get rid of their diseases. So far, so many of them might have been suffering from some illness or some sickness. So it will get rid of by the Jupiter aspecting the zodiac sign directly. So these are some of the benefits for them. Those who are unmarried for long, they can get good alliances during this time and they get settled in their life. Those who are doing business, especially those who are in the uh, chemical industries, construction industries, they can get good business during this time. So all those business which are related to mass, they will get succeeded during this time. Even doctors can flourish well. Those who are in the engineering field, those who are in the nurse, all they can get good support from the government side, and the government based hospitals and projects will improve during this period. So these are some of the positive points on the business side. But the negative side is Saturn aspecting the 10th house. So some of them may find troubles in the work. So if they do not do the job in time, they don't attend to the office in time, they may find some problems in the workplace also. So they may have some problems with the seniors as well as from their work surrounders, their co-partners. So those who are working in a company, they should be careful during this time. They should attend to the office in time. Those who are looking for job opportunities, they should they should put their 100% efforts in getting a good job opportunities. Some may not get the job in time, so there will be delay. There may be delay in the process. There may be delay in getting the appointment order. All these problems might happen during this particular 145 days as Saturn aspect in the 10th house directly, and it is more negative planet. So we have already seen about the Rahu on the 8th house. Some may get foreign opportunities. Some can get money out of the foreign countries. Those who are doing business here and having sources in outside country, they can get good business out of this. So considering all these planetary positions, we can say for Libra, this Jupiter transit can yield them up to 80% positivity.